Flight Manager. Managing your defined flights and defining new flights is quite simple in Unique Booking System. To access the flight management screen, first, from the Product Management section, click on the Flights button. On the screen that opens, you can easily find the flight you are looking for with the filtering field above. To add a new flight, click the Add Flight button on the top left. After selecting the flight code and the operating carrier, we determine the date range and the days of this flight. The capacity will be determined according to the aircraft type. If you wish, you can change the capacity settings. We determine release minutes and fill in the cost fields. If you wish, you can write necessary explanations about the flight in the description section. To determine the flight destination, click on the Add button at the bottom. In the window that opens, we fill in the required fields and click the Save button. If our flight will have transfers, we can click the Add button again and add the route. You can add unlimited number of transfers. When we click the Save button, the flight will be defined in seconds. If we want to make changes to the specific flight, we click on the flight we want to edit and click on the Edit Single Flight button in the Edit section at the top. After making the necessary edits, we press the Update button. There is also the option of multi-editing for flights in our system. Click on the Multi-Edit button in the Edit menu at the top. In the window that opens, we can specify the criteria of the flights we want to change and select the action we want to edit. Click on the RBD button above. In the window that opens, you can see the cabin classes and capacities available on the selected flight, and also how many sales and pre-bookings have been made in which class, how many blocked seats are, and finally, how many available seats are left. If we had a chosen connecting flight, the information of the connecting flight will also appear on the screen. If you wish, you can adjust the seats capacities in cabin classes. Click on the quota button at the top to set the adult, child, and infant quotas for the selected flight. In the window that opens, we set the quotas for the flight and press the Save button. To manage the prices of the flight, click on the Price Manager button. In the window that opens, you can see the cost we set when adding the flight. We can see the profit we will make by adjusting the pricing. Click on the Sales Channel button at the top to determine on which channels the flight will be sold. In the window that opens, click the Add button, fill in the required fields, and click Save. We can specify more than one sales channel. By clicking on the Customer List button, we can see the customers who will be on the selected flight. We can also see who made what changes about the flight by clicking on the Change History button.